Popular media tends to identify Indian music and dance with Bollywood films. However, Indian music and dance doesn't start or end there. Their forms are thousands of years old with well-developed structure and grammar. Indian dance goes back to ancient times and is very diverse. Almost every region has its own dance form. Some of the well-known classical dance forms are Bhartnatyam, which is from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Odissi is from the state Odisha, Kathakali is from Kerala, and Kathak, another dance form, is from northern and western India. These are just some of the many forms. Indian classical music is divided into two categories: Carnatic, which is associated with the south, and Hindustani, which is associated with the north. Each state has its own folk dance and music genre. Film dance and music combines Western and Indian elements, both folk and classical. At the Great India Festival, we bring the top artists in their respective art form from wherever they are in the world to on stage in Ottawa. In addition to international artists, there will be performances from national and local artists on classical as well as contemporary Indian dance and music. Admission is free, an enjoyable place for everyone. Come every day and experience world-class, authentic Indian music and dance at the Great India Festival.